How to find trending sounds on Instagram. Super easy. Open Instagram, go to the search button, go to search, look up trending, and then you see For You, accounts, audio, tags, and places. You're gonna press audio, and here's all the trending audio. And it shows you the videos using the song. Pretty self-explanatory. Another way, you go to the plus sign, go to Reel, click audio, and then it'll show you recommended based on if you have connected Spotify. It'll show you recommended songs. Also, it shows featured, or you go down to new releases, or you go to music, search trending, and it'll show you songs that are currently trending as well. Yeah, that's basically it. I mean, pretty self-explanatory, pretty simple, but yeah, hope that helped. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you like my content. If you want to see anything else, drop it in the comments below. I try to get back to every single comment you guys ask, so thank you for your support and look forward to making more videos.